Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. Today we will be solving maximum Savary summation problem. What does that mean? First of all, we have to know what is Savary. Savary is also a kind of an array only, but it is a subset of an array, we can say. So that means this array will have to define sub-array that should have a contiguous memory location. For an example, if we have some array like 1 2 3, then sub-array could be 1 2, sub-array could be 2 3, because 2 3 is continuous location and 2 3 lies on that. So but if it is like ARR, you can say like this lies in here, this also lies here, but the point is, and itself 1 2 3 is also sub-array of 1 2 3, but the point is you cannot say like 1 3, right? Because that's not contiguous, so this is not an option. 1 and 3 is not something which lies in continuous location, right? So that is the concept of sub-array. Okay, that's fine. Now let's come back to the problem statement. We have to find out this maximum summation of sub-array. Now for an example, we have an array like this: -5, okay, 1, -2, okay, my 3, -1, 2, -2. Suppose we have something like that. Now the question is, when we are trying to find a solution, like we want to find sub-array which got maximum value of summation, how should we attack to this problem? Now let's understand it in a different manner. Suppose we have -5, which is the first element, and we want to find sum of a sub-array which is having -5 only, right? So what is going to be the result? -5. Perfect. Now if we have 1, okay, we have 1, what is going to be the summation of this sub-array? We have two choices. Either we can put 1, okay, because if you see -5 1, the summation, I mean this is the sub-array, or it could be 1 as well, right? So when we take -5 1, so this could be, the summation is like -4. So we have two choices. Either we can go with -4 or we can go with 1. As we are dealing with the maximum, we want to find out the maximum summation, right? So definitely we will go with this, right? Because if you see, the max between -4 and 1 is 1. So that's why this is. So let's understand it in this way. Like in the 0th index we have -5. In the 1st index, what we have done is we have chosen 1. So that means we have improved our result towards this goal, right? Let's talk about the next element, -2. See, in case of -2 also we have two choices. Either we can go with -2 or we can take an improved result of here, because we have already updated, and we have updated in this way so that we can get a maximum result, maximum summation result. So either we can go with -2 or we can rely on this result and add it and make it -1. So what is the maximum between -1 and -2? That is -1, right? In case of 3 also, either we can go with 3 or we can go with the, I mean, we just decided the maximum one, that is 3 minus 1 is -2. So definitely we will go with 3. In case of -1, see, in case of -1 we have -1, or we can make it 2. So maximum between these two is 2. so we will definitely go with 2. In this way, similar fashion, we can go with 4, we can go with here 2, because 4 minus 2 better is 2. Now among this, all this, I am just putting a tick over here. See, we have minus 5, we have 1, we have minus 1, we have 3, we have 2, we have 4. So definitely 4 is going to be our result, right? So that is the way we have done it, and we will see how to code it. Thank you.